Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Destiny if you are new here, and today we are going to be using Sister James' new palette from his Morphe collaboration, and this is what the palette looks like right here. And if you all want to see me create this look right here, then just keep on watching this video. Also, while you're here, you should subscribe to my channel and like this video, maybe even leave a comment down below. So, without further ado, let's get started into this tutorial. I really did enjoy this palette. This is my second time using it in this video. So, the first time I used it, I used these shades down here in this little cool tone green and blue section, and I really enjoyed those shades a lot. They were very pigmented, blended out well on the eye, even though I didn't use a Morphe eye primer or a matte paint pot. The eyeshadow palette still worked perfectly fine, and yeah, I would definitely recommend this to you guys if you want like a colorful palette and you want something that also has your neutral warm shades in it. So yeah, without me rambling on anymore, let's get started with this video. Hi sisters, Destiny here, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So, if you can already tell by the title of this video, I'm going to be diving into the Morphe and James Charles collaboration palette, and it is their Unleash Your Inner Artist palette. This is what the palette looks like right here. You get 39 shades in the palette, and you get your more colorful shades at the bottom two rows. You get your more neutral tone, your deeper shades on this end, and then your more lighter highlighting shades on the opposite end. And then on the top two rows, you get your more neutral warm tone shades, which, you know, is like a staple for pretty much every palette these days. And on the top half of the palette, it has Unleash Your Inner Artist written in a glossy font. And it also has that same glossy texture on the front where his signature and the Morphe logo is, and then the rest of the palette is just matte black. So this palette retails for $39, and you can get it from the Morphe Brushes website, or you can get it from Ulta.com. I definitely recommend you getting it from Ulta because you can use coupons on it instead of that weak 10% off Morphe likes to give people. So I recommend you get it from Ulta. I used a $5 off coupon, and I ended up getting this palette for $36, which is included with tax. So that's a big difference from the drastic like $60 you'll pay on the Morphe Brushes website when you get shipping and taxes all included into your total. So I would definitely recommend going to a Ulta store and getting this palette, so you can save up on all the shipping and you can save up using a coupon. So with that, we are going to get started with this tutorial. I'm going to be starting off with my base first, and I'm probably just gonna go through that really fast and do a voiceover on it, and then I'll come back and speak with you guys about doing an eye look. So without further ado, let's get started. So today I'm going to be taking my Urban Decay De-Slick Primer and applying that all over the face, and then I'm going to be taking my Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Foundation, and I'm going to be buffing that into the skin with this Jaclyn Hill brush that I got from her set. Now I'm going to be taking my Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer and applying that to the highlighted areas of my face. Since the Makeup Revolution concealer was kind of dark, I'm going to be taking the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Toffee and applying that over the Makeup Revolution concealer for a more brightening effect. And then I'm going to be taking my Real Techniques sponge and blending out the areas where I applied the concealer at. So to set my concealer, I'm going to be taking this banana shade from the James Charles palette, and I'm going to be setting everywhere where I apply my concealer at, and I'm also going to be taking my Real Technique sponge and drawing a line down my nose so I can highlight. So with my Laura Mercier translucent setting powder, I'm just going to be setting the rest of my face that I did not set with the banana shade. So now I'm going to be taking this brick colored shade from the James Charles palette as well, and I'm going to be using that to bronze my skin, and y'all, this color is so amazing for bronzer. Using the Makeup Geek contour powder in the shade Scandal, I'm going to be chiseling out my cheeks with this Jaclyn Hill brush, and also contouring my nose as well with the same brush. After contouring my nose, I'm going to be taking my Real Technique sponge and using some translucent powder to clean up what I contoured. To blush up my face, I'm going to be taking this blush by Flesh, and it is in the shade Fever. Over top of the blush we just put down, I'm going to be taking this orange shade from the NYX Sweet Cheeks palette. Now taking this eyebrow cushion from Iconic London, I'm just going to be doing my eyebrows. After finishing my eyebrows, I'm just going to carve them out with some concealer to clean them up a bit. To set my face, I'm going to be taking the NYX Dewy Finish Spray and spraying that all over and fanning it. So for my highlight, I'm going to be taking the Artist Couture and Jackie Aina highlighter in the shade La Peach, and I'm just going to be applying that on my cheekbones, my chin, my nose, and my eyebrow bone. So I already did this eye off camera so I could kind of figure out what I wanted to do with this makeup look, and I wanted to do one eye that was kind of sunset. I was going to do both eyes just like a sunset looking eye, but I figured I should do maybe one warm tone eye and then the other one cool tone. So I'm going to show you how I'm going to do the other eye, which is going to be the same concept as this eye right here, just with different colors. So let's dig right up into that. So I'm already zoomed in, and first I'm just going to be taking this dark blue shade right here, and I'm just going to be packing it on the outer corner of my eye, and then I'm going to be placing it through the crease, making a round shape. Now I'm going to be taking this aqua blue shade. Now I'm going to be taking this aqua blue shade right here, and then I'm going to be blending out the dark blue shade that we just packed down on the lid. Then I'm going to be taking this lime green shade right here at the very bottom corner, and I'm going to be blending that with the aqua blue shade, and then I'm going to blend it out in a second. Then I'm going to be taking this yellow shade right here, and I'm going to be putting that above the green shade. Now I'm going to be doing a half cut crease with my LA Girl Pro Concealer and this Royal & Light Nickel brush. And this is a pan brush. I just found it at Michael's and I decided that it would be a good choice for doing a cut crease. So I got it and I do like it so much. It's very flat, like you can see right here. I'm holding it to the side and it's very thin. And it's also very big, so you don't have to fill in such a big space with a tiny brush. And how I like to cut my crease is that I like to figure out where my eye crease is when it's open and then cut above it. And then use that line as my guide to make the rest of the line. Then I'm going to use that light blue shade again and then kind of angle the shadow at a diagonal and blend it like a liner so I can have that nice seamless blend for this outer half. Now I'm going to add some of the dark blue shade to the outer corner to deepen it up a bit. And then going back in with that brush that had the light blue shade on it, not adding any extra product, but I'm just going to blend the darker blue shade within the light blue shade. Now I'm going to be taking this light blue shimmery shade right here, and I'm going to be placing that all over the lid where I cut the crease at. And I'm also going to spray my brush with some setting spray. Now I'm going to be taking this shimmery purple shade, which is like an eyeshadow topper. And I think the name of this shade is actually Artistry. And I'm going to be taking that and putting that where the matte shade and the shimmer shade meet. This is cute. So now I'm going to be taking this shade this black shade right here, and I'm going to be using that as a liner for both of the eyes. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to spray my brush to get it kind of moist. And I'm just going to be lining my eyes, but I'm not going to be winging it out or anything. Just lining the lash line. So for the lower lash line for each eye, I am going to be taking the light blue shade on this side. And I'm going to take the dark blue on the outer edge. On the warm tone side, I'm going to be taking this shade right here, which is kind of a more magenta shade, and I'm going to be placing that underneath that eye. And then I'm going to be taking the dark purple shade in the palette right here, and I'm going to be placing that on the outer edge as well. So now I'm gonna put lash glue on my eyelashes, and then I'm gonna put on some mascara and apply my eyelashes, and then we can go ahead and get to lips. For my inner corner highlight, I'm going to be taking my La Peach highlighter, and I'm just going to be placing that in the inner corner, obviously. Okay, for lips, I'm going to be using my favorite lip combination right now. So first off, I'm gonna line my lips with my Kylie Cosmetics True Brown K lip liner. And next I'm gonna be taking my Anastasia matte lipstick in the shade Peachy, and this is what the color looks like. It's just a nice peachy nude. We love those. And then on top of that, I'm gonna be putting this lip gloss by Kylie Cosmetics in the shade Literally. And this is what the shade looks like. It smells so good. So this is the completed look right here using the James Charles Artistry palette by Morphe. And if you all enjoyed this video, make sure you subscribe to my channel and like this video. Maybe even leave a comment down below, whether it's positive or negative. You do you. So with that, I hope you all have a wonderful day, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.